Now, if my story is historical, and of course historians have worked on it, some 16 different historians have worked on the Piper tale. 5 of them are professors. 2 others have written their doctorate on the Piper. And the historians, they don't talk about seduction. I have heard they sometimes seduce their students, but they don't talk about it. What they do is they tell us that the young people used to live on this side of the town, full of lovely little half-timbered houses all the way over to the other city wall. And they say the young people left the town of their own free will for the same reason as today. There's nothing going on back there. And it's been that way for hundreds of years. Since the people of Hameln had their little village of 3 streets, and they built a thoroughfare around their little village. And this thoroughfare you modern people see as the pedestrian area. What for you appears to be the middle used to be a round and about. And as soon as you build a round and about, it doesn't take long before McDonald's and Tesco and Safeway and all of the others arrive. And in this case, it is the merchants all move over here, and the craftsmen are bored to death. There's no business. They're looking for entertainment, and they find their wives. And because there's no television, they have a lot of children. They have 6 children. They have 8 children in the family. But only the first son can inherit father's business. Only the first daughter will get a dowry and be able to marry, and the others have no future. And so, according to the historians, the Piper comes to stand and speak. We've just won some ground back from the Danes up along the Baltic Sea. Pommern, Vorpommern is available for colonization. We can go there. We can marry. We can work father's trade, build houses, have children, and be free men. And being a free man is an important right in the Middle Ages. Not everyone was. If we believe the historians, here in these side streets, 130 teenagers of a marrying age. People like you. You could marry at 14 in the Middle Ages. They get up off of the couch and they let their cellular telephone fall to the ground. They reach for provisions. They reach for tools. They load covered wagons and coaches and dog-drawn carts. And they go in a long and dusty trek through the side streets of Hameln all the way out to the East Gate. We'll take the shortcut, and that goes this way.